Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 36. A six-sided die with size number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is tossed. What is the probability of tossing a number less than 3? So if we click on the view hint, they will give you the probability of an event is equal the number of ways an event can occur, divide the total numbers of possible outcome. Okay, so let's list out. They already list out for you the total number of possible outcome, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have total outcomes is equal 6. Okay, remember the cube, they have 6 sides. Okay, you can see 3 here, and then the 3 is high like that. Okay, so each side will be labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So that is 6 sides you can have whenever the top one will be count, right? So they can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6 possible outcome. Okay, that is 6 possible outcome. All right, now the number of ways that an event occurs. So what they say, they want to find the probability. This is the probability of the event when you toss and the number is less than 3. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible outcome, which one is less than 3? You have 1 is less than 3. If the result is 1 is less than 3. If it 2 is less than 3. If it 3 is equal 3, so it's not less than 3. Okay, so this one is strictly less than 3. Okay, strictly less than 3. So 3 is not included. All right, so we have two ways that event can occur. That the total way, okay, an event occur. All right, so this is this one. All right, so you have 2, 1 and 2. That is 2 outcome out of 6 outcome. Okay, 2 out of 6. That is your probability. Okay, with the event that you pick up a numbers less than 3. Okay, and we need to simplify this one. 2 is the same thing as 2 times 1. 6 is the same thing as 2 times 1 at the top. 6 is 2 times 3. Now 2 divided by 2, you cancel that, and it's become 1/3. Okay, so A is the right answer in this case. So we say the probability of tossing a number less than 3, I call the event is X. Okay, so the probability is labeled P, open parenthesis, the event is X when X is less than 3, strictly less than 3. If it's saying less than or equal to, it means X is less than or equal to 3, that will be difference. Now, if that happens, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes, and 1 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3, 3 is equal 3, so you have 3 out of 6. Okay, that event, P of that event will be 3 out of 6, and it is 1/2. It's because 3 is 3 times 1, 6 is 3 times 2, so you cancel the 3, you got 1/2. So reading the questions, you need to be careful. In this questions is strictly less than 3, so 3 is not included. So we write down the number way of an event can occur. In this case is less than 3. You have 1 and 2, so you have 2 outcome. Okay, and then the total possible outcome is 6 because the cube have 6 sides. Okay, or the die have 6 sides. So now it's 2 over 6, and we have it divide both sides, top and bottom, not both sides, top and bottom by 2. So you will have 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, you can do like that, or you can say 2 divided by 2 over 6 divided by 2. That is 1 over 3. Anyway, you will have the same answer. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time. I also paste the link to the online test at the description box, making sure you check it out.